How to sign up for Uber Eats driver. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Uber Eats driver. To start, open your Uber Eats application in your mobile device. Then in here, tap continue. In here, log in with your mobile phone number. Or you could also continue with Google depending on your preference. For now, let's continue with Google. Then a pop-up will appear and let's wait for it to finish loading. In here, select a Google account which you want to use for Uber Eats. Click on continue in Google once again. Then again, choose which Google account you want to use for Uber Eats. Then in here, input your name and then your mobile number. Click on next this time on the bottom right. Then wait for Uber Eats to finish loading. Then in here, tap on the I agree box and then tap on next. Then in here, make sure you allow location access. Here, also add your preferred payment method. You can skip this one if you don't want to add it yet. And then in here, just tap on your location. Now input your location address. You could also skip this for the meantime. You can skip this for now as well. Once you are here, tap on browse this time. Uber Eats is not available in my country. However, that is how you can make an Uber Eats account. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. So please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.